Hello learners, how are you all? Today we will study a very interesting chapter from our English book Communicate with Cambridge. Chapter number Unit 3 Section A, The Hero. It was written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan was an Indian writer known for his work set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. He was a leading author of early Indian literature in English along with Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Rao. Now children, give me answers of these questions. First one, do you sleep alone? Yes or no? Do you sleep alone? If no, then whom do you sleep with? Do you feel scared of the dark? Tell me the truth, okay? What would you do if you were alone at home and there was a thief in the house? What would you do? Okay, now let's start the story. For Swaminathan, event took an unexpected turn. Unexpected means not expected. Okay. Father looked over the newspaper. His father was reading the newspaper under the hall lamp and said, Swami, listen to this. News is hats off. Hats off means showing respect for admiration. Hats off to the bravery of a village lad. Lad means boy, village boy, who, while returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with a tiger. The paragraph described the fight the boy had with the tiger and his flight up a tree. His father read the paragraph. In that paragraph, it was described how that boy fight with the tiger and his flight up a tree, where he stayed for half a day till some people came that way and killed the tiger. Means he stayed there, means he flight up a tree and stayed there for half a day till some people came that way and killed the tiger. After reading it through, father looked at Swaminathan fixedly and asked. Fixedly means continuously, or means looked continuously and like staring, and asked, what do you say to that? His father asked to Swaminathan after he was reading that paper, paragraph, and after reading it, he asked to Swaminathan, what do you say to that? Swaminathan said, I think he must have been a very strong and grown up person, not at all a boy. How could a boy fight a tiger? Swaminathan very cleverly he said that I think he must have been a very strong and grown up person. Means he can't believe that a boy can do this work. So he said that I think he must have been a very strong and grown up person. You think, his father said now, you think you are a wiser than the newspaper. You are clever than newspaper. Father sneered. Sneered meaning talked in an unkind way that showed disapproval. A man may have the strength of an elephant yet be a coward. A man means if you have a strength of an elephant, this does not mean that you are very strong. Yet be a coward means if you have a strength of an elephant, then also you became a coward. You have fear. Whereas another may have the strength of a straw, but he has courage. He can do anything. If you have courage, then you can do anything. His father said, if a person having strength of elephant, then also if he could not do anything, he has fear, then what happen? If he has strength of straw, but if he has courage, then he can do anything. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. His father said that courage is important. If you have courage, then only you can do anything. Swami said, how can it be, father? How can it is possible? Suppose I have all the courage. Now Swami is saying that suppose I have all the courage, what can I do if a tiger should attack me? Then his father, he was very angry and said, leave alone strength. Can you prove you have courage? His father said, you can prove it that you have courage? Let me see if you can sleep alone tonight in my office room. A frightful suggestion. Swaminathan thought he had always slept beside his granny, and my change in this arrangement kept him trembling with fear, and awake all night. He hoped at first that his father was only joking. At first he thought that father was joking. He mumbled a weak yes. Mumbled means speak in low voice. Okay. He mumbled a weak yes and tried to change the subject. Okay. Very smartly he tried to change the subject. He said very loudly and with a great deal of enthusiasm, we are going to admit our even elders in our cricket club hereafter. We are buying brand new bats and balls. Our captain has asked me to tell you. He changed the topic, okay, and very cleverly he said his father about his cricket team. We will see about it later. But father, he also changed that topic. He cut in and said, we will see about it later. You must sleep alone hereafter. From today you have to sleep alone. Swaminathan realized that the matter had gone beyond his control. Now Swaminathan realized that now matter had gone from his control. From a challenge it had become a plain command. Now it is a command, and he knew his father tenacity. Tenacity means the quality of being very strong minded. He knew that his father was very strong minded, and he has to do what his father said at such moment. From the first of next month I will sleep alone. Swaminathan said that now from the first of next month means from the first date of next month I will sleep alone. Father, no, you must do it now. From today you have to sleep alone. It is disgraceful sleeping beside granny or mother like a baby. Disgraceful means shameful. Sleeping beside granny or mother like a baby. You are in the second form and I don't at all like the way you are being brought up. His father said that now you are growing up and now I did not like your behavior. He said and looked at his wife who was rocking the cradle. Swaminathan's father sat gloomily gazing at the newspaper on his lap. Means he also sat gloomily means sad. Swaminathan's father sat gloomily gazing at the newspaper on his lap. Means he also not liked Swaminathan's this behavior of sleeping beside his granny. Swaminathan rose silently and tiptoed away to his bed in the passage. Okay, tiptoed means silently he moved from there. Granny was sitting up in her bed and remarked. Granny saw all this. Boy, are you already feeling sleepy? Granny asked, are you already feeling sleepy? Do you want a story? Don't you want a story? Means daily his granny told him a story. So that day again his granny asked him, don't you want a story? Swaminathan made wild gesticulation. Wild gesticulation means excited movement of the hand and arms. Means very angry mood. But that good lady saw nothing. But that lady means his granny saw nothing. Okay children, today I am finishing here. Tomorrow we will start, tomorrow we will continue this chapter.